Hey guys, it's Serge here. Today we have to look at Apple. My phone and my inbox are lighting up on questions around Apple. Rightly so, the stock is falling here and it's breaking below some really obvious support. Before we go into the analysis, let me quickly remind you, the last time I updated you guys on Apple is on, I believe it was April the 5th. I'm linking to the video up here, so you can kind of see what's developed since. And I had somewhat of a bearish posturing then. I continue to be bearish in the stock through the intermediate term lens. I'm definitely not bearish in the longer term, but we continue to see price action that certainly is making a series of lower highs and lower lows. So if we now look at Apple here on the chart, this is the multi-year weekly chart, and you can see what we have basically is a 200-week moving average in red. You can see how we're, as of right now, breaking below that 200-week moving average after sort of bouncing here for some time, and this comes after making a lower high here around that April 5th time when we made the previous video, and now you see the 50-week moving average dropping below the 100-week moving average. So just a few reference points, right? That's basically what's going on here. So the 200-week moving average has held for a very long time. If this now breaks, that could wash out some people a little bit further. I continue to think better support for the stock here through, again, a multi-month, maybe a multi-quarter lens. Will probably come in somewhere in the low to maybe mid-80s for now. Maybe we'll go below that. The point is, I don't really think the stock is something we have to buy here from a structural perspective just yet. I do think there's lower to go. It's just one of those things where institutional investors have been selling the stock down for some time. Every institutional investor I've been speaking to for the past 6, 8, 10 months has basically been lighting up on the stock, and I think now finally the analyst community is slowly starting to catch up to that reality, and ultimately the retail investors are going to figure that out as well, and then the stock could certainly get more selling pressure. So that's what the technical picture looks like here. I remain bearish on the stock in immediate term, not so much longer term, but I do think the selling pressure we're seeing here could sort of feed on itself. There'll be counter trend bounces for sure to be had, but from a more structural perspective, I don't think this is a stock to buy here just yet. I think, again, probably the mid to low 80s more or less is sort of my base case for the downside target. I wouldn't be surprised if we fall all the way into the $60 to $70 range, but we'll get there when we get there. For now, one step at a time. So I hope this makes sense, guys. Please like this video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.